Go ahead.
Yeah, my name is Walter L. Kimberly. I'm a Olympic champion, swimming champion. I've got 55 medals to my credit, and I've never lost a race. Not to brag, I've never lost a race yet. And I plan to compete in the World's Masters when Dr. Tong fixes my rotator cuff. I can't swim now. This accumulated when I was swimming with breaststroke, severe breaststroke. With the caps that I had on my hands, and I noticed that all of a sudden, one day I couldn't lift my arm. I think it's due to overworking with paddles, you know. But now he's going to make me well, and I'm going to go out in the World Championships and break 3 world records. Yeah, 3 years ago I came to Dr. Tong. At that time I had several troubles with my body, mainly the shoulders and the arms. They had watery eyes, incontinence. I just had so many things I couldn't believe that I had all these things, because I always thought I had super health, but I didn't have super health. So I heard about Dr. Tong, and I came to see him, and immediately he helped me. No one else helped me in the medical field. He says, I could do this, I could do that. And I studied medicine myself and therapy and everything, but I couldn't do anything either. But Dr. Tong helped me. 3 years ago also I had difficulty with my knees and severe arthritis, and I'm an expert in throwing the football. I could throw the football 50 yards when I was 72 years old, and I plan to throw the football in when I turned 80, 85, and 90. And presently Dr. Tong's gonna fix my rotator cuff, and I'm gonna throw the football 50 yards at the age of 90.
How old are you now?
88.
You said it.
I'm 88 now. I'm going to go, I'll be 89 December 23rd. Yeah, I injured myself lifting weights and training I did. I should have known better, because I do know all about training and everything like that. And no one helped me in the field. I went to therapy a lot and for a whole year, and to the doctors, and they never helped me. So I went to Dr. Tong, and he was my key man. He's the one that helped me.
What did the doctor do for you?
Nothing. Nothing. He didn't do anything, you know.
How many doctors did you go to?
I went to about 5 different doctors. Do therapy, and the therapy is okay, but it doesn't help. It doesn't take away the injuries.
So what happened to my first treatment on you?
Dr. Tong gave me the treatments, and right away I felt much better. I felt a relief. Just being in his presence, you know, that's how good he is. I mean, he's a miraculous person.
Thank you.
I came to see Dr. Tong today. Like I say, I'm an Olympic swimmer, world champion, and the system that I use in swimming, I use paddles. And I did breaststroke because I was training the breaststroke severe. What happened, that I went too far with it, and my rotator cuff went completely. So I went to the doctor, and he said I had to have it operated. I said, I don't want to get it operated on. I said, I'm going to see my prize doctor in California. He says, what do you think he's going to do? I said, he's going to help me. I came all the way from Singer Island, Florida, and it's a pleasure to be here in his presence. Being in his presence makes me feel better.
Okay, let's see you lift up your arm. Higher. They're painful?
Very painful. Oh, terrible.
Is it the only pain you have today?
Well, the bottom of my feet also have painful. I have peripheral disease, circulation in my toes and everything, which he's going to fix.
Which foot?
Both feet, the bottom of my toes and everything. Just the presence here today, in an hour I can see the big difference. I just had acupuncture treatment from a wonderful woman here. It's amazing how much better my feet feel. My circulation wasn't nothing there. It was just like dull. And I walked to the bathroom, and I said I couldn't believe it, you know.
Better.
Very much better.
Before my injection.
Before my injections, yeah.
Before my injection.
Before his injections now. Mm-hmm. All right.
How's your arm feeling?
Wow, see, look at it.
Oh, that's good. Yes.
Well, let cool my hair, Doc.
Yeah. Try to lift up your arm again. Yeah, much better.
Well, I couldn't do that.
Yes. Do it again. Lift up your arm again. Much better, right?
Oh yeah.
Do it again. That's good.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Now stand up and see whether your feet hurt. You say your feet hurt a lot before.
Before, yeah. Much better.
How much it hurt before?
Before, I could stand the pain, but I tell you, it wasn't too good.
It was painful. How about your arm? When you put your clothes on before, was it painful? Your arm?
Oh God, yeah.
How about now?
No, when I put it through there, I could feel it, but it wasn't. Now it's a little sharp there, but it's much better. See, look.
Yeah, do it again. You couldn't do that before, right?
No, no, heck no.
It was painful before.
Give me the football.
See, I told you you don't need surgery, remember? Yeah. Sit down and have you sit down. Go sit down.
Yeah.
Okay, lift your arm again. Oh, pretty good. And the foot's better?
Feet are better. Still feel a little bit down there with circulation, but it's much better.
But this is only your first treatment.
First treatment, yeah. It still feels a little stiff down there, but that seems like it's going away gradually.
Yeah, but you only have one treatment so far.
One treatment.
Okay,
yeah.
I'll see you in a couple of days, okay?
See you Wednesday. I'll be glad to come back here.
Tell us about your friend, the orthopedic.
My surgeon, he wanted me to do that right away. I said, well, I got to go out to California. He didn't know actually I was going to go out to see my favorite doctor out here, but that's why I came out here. And I tell you what, it feels much better. He wanted to cut on me just in a few days, and I thought it over. I said, I said, I got to see him before I do anything. And here I am. And I said, look, I'm lifting my arm. I'm lifting my arm before I couldn't even lift.
Okay.
It's better than I'm going to lift my girlfriend on my head. I just had my secretary with Dr. Tong on my right arm, a rotator cuff. I said, my rotator cuff was so bad that I couldn't lift a cup of coffee. I had to use the other hand to guide it up there. This is a treatment, and I must say, I'm lifting it right over my head like that. Still hurts a little bit, but it's amazing what I can do it. And Dr. Elaine's helped me out a lot too. I just can't say enough about these two doctors. They're miracle doctors. I mean, it's just, they tell the truth and everything. I'm calling when I get home. I'm canceling my ad with the doctor that wants to do surgery. Put me on the surgery. That pain hurts so much. I'm a world's master senior Olympic swimmer. I couldn't even swim at all. I was supposed to compete in two very, very important meets. I had to cancel them out. And right now I could swim, you know. I said, not like I did before, but a couple of days it'd come back to me. And I want to congratulate the doctor what he's done, because I don't have any, just very little pain up in the upper shoulder. It's amazing. I can't believe it.